Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Keap users with two-factor login, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authenticate Keap users with two-factor login, first, log in to your Keap account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the user settings by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and click on it. You will see the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to get started. Next, click on the Enable Two-Factor Authentication button. A prompt will appear, informing you about the authentication process. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, either via SMS or an authenticator app. If you choose SMS, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. If you select the authenticator app, download a compatible app, open the app and scan the QR code displayed on the Keap screen. After scanning, the app will generate a temporary code. Enter that code back in the Keap screen and click Verify. Once verified, you'll receive confirmation that two-factor authentication is. Keep your backup code safe in case you lose access to your primary method of authentication. Now, each time you log in, you will be prompted to enter a verification code after your password. This extra layer of security helps protect your Keap account from unauthorized access. Make sure to regularly check your security settings to ensure everything is up to date. With that, you've successfully set up two-factor login authentication for your Keap account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.